Adam Robert Waldman, attorney. I'm also involved with a skincare company in a variety of capacities.
Do you currently represent John C. Depp II?
I do.
Is this representation an attorney-client representation?
It is.
Does it include any other type of representation of Mr. Depp other than as an attorney-client?
I would instruct the witness not to answer that question on the grounds of attorney-client privilege and attorney work product. As you're aware, Ms. Bredehoff, the court has ruled that Mr. Depp has not waived attorney-client privilege and will not be waiving attorney-client privilege. So you're aware of that.
What is your role in this case?
Objection. And I would instruct the witness not to answer that question.
Okay, I'll follow the instruction.
Has the attorney-client relationship between you and Mr. Depp...
Would instruct...
Okay, I'll follow the instruction.
You have charged Mr. Depp for your advice, correct?
I would instruct the witness not to answer that question.
I accept the instruction.
Has Mr. Depp paid you for your advice?
I would instruct...
I accept the instruction.
And I'm talking about your attorney-client relationship.
Would instruct the witness not to answer the question based on attorney-client privilege.
I accept the instruction.
Has Mr. Depp terminated your representation of him at any time?
That's the same question that I instructed Mr. Waldman not to answer, stated in a slightly different way, so I would instruct the witness not to answer that question.
I accept the instruction.
It says on page 10, it was Adam Waldman who first contacted Rolling Stone. Well, why did Mr. Depp contact Rolling Stone?
I would instruct you not to answer that question.
Okay, I'll follow the instruction.
It was Mr. Depp's choice whether you said anything to the press.
I instruct the witness not to answer.
I accept the instruction.
Mr. Waldman, you reached out to a number of other publications.
Again, I would instruct not to answer to the extent it requires you to disclose communications that you had with Mr. Depp.
It would, and I accept the instruction.
How many publications did you communicate with on behalf of Mr. Depp?
Same instruction not to answer based on attorney-client privilege and attorney work product.
I accept the instruction.
How many publications did you reach out to?
Same instruction not to answer on the same grounds.
I accept the instruction.
Do you still communicate with the press?
And I would instruct the witness not to answer the question to the extent that it requires you to disclose communications between you and Johnny.
It would, so I accept the instruction.
Do you still communicate with the...
Same instruction.
I accept the instruction.
Has Mr. Depp ever...
Same instruction.
And I accept the instruction.
Would you have followed...
I will instruct the witness not to answer.
I accept the instruction.
Has Mr. Depp ever asked you not...
Would instruct the witness not to answer the question.
I accept the instruction.
Would you have...
And I will instruct not to answer.
I accept the instruction.
Has Mr. Depp...
Would instruct the witness not to...
I accept the instruction.